Good afternoon, Mayfield. It's Miss MacPhee, and it is Thursday, February 27th. This is my Math 6 homework for my students due tomorrow, the last day of February 28th. We're working this week more with dividing fractions. We're also starting to bring in some mixed numbers. I went to the shoebox and it said, can you please do the last question? So sure, I also like that you used our graph paper that we used in today's lesson. The very last question says, find 12 divided by 3/5 and only use the diagram if necessary. So the reason they're saying that is if I wanted to draw a diagram, I would need to draw 12 units and cut them into groups of 5. And then count off groups of 3/5. So 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups. So you could certainly keep going and do this, but we did talk this week about how dividing by a common denominator will probably get us there quicker. So to get a common denominator, I first look at my 2 and I'm like, oh, there we go. Common denominator is going to be 5, which is fun because that means 3/5 won't have to change. Now I need to make my equivalent fractions. 1 times 5 is 5. 12 times 5 is 60. And as we've said in class today, what's brilliant about dividing with a common denominator is the answer is now in your face, because 5 divided by 5 goes away. I'm left with 60 divided by 3. But as we know, since the first day of class together, a division problem is also a fraction. So 60/3, great answer. If you see that you could simplify it to 20, also an equivalent great answer in simplest form. The short that I made earlier also shows how to divide using both the diagram and the common denominator. So if you need more support, feel free to look that over. And of course, you can see me any day during lunch. Proud of your hard work. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.